What is System Restore? System Restore is a built-in feature in Windows operating systems that allows users to revert their computer's state, including system files, installed applications, Windows Registry, and system settings, to a previous point in time. This previous state is known as a restore point. Restore points are created automatically by the operating system at significant events, such as installing new software or updates, or can be created manually by users. Why should one activate System Restore? 1. Undo system changes. If a recent change, such as a software installation or driver update, causes system instability or errors, System Restore allows you to revert to a previous state when your system was functioning correctly. 2. Recover from malware. In the event of a malware or virus infection, System Restore can help you roll back your system to a state before the infection, potentially removing harmful changes made by the malware. 3. Fix system errors. System Restore can resolve various system errors and corrupted files by restoring the system to a previous stable state, eliminating the need for more complex troubleshooting. 4. Prevent data loss. Unlike some recovery methods, System Restore does not affect personal files such as documents, photos, or emails. It only affects system files and settings, minimizing the risk of data loss. 5. Ease of use. System Restore is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. It is integrated into Windows, making it easy to find and use. 6. Time saving. Compared to other methods of fixing system issues, such as reinstalling the operating system, System Restore is a quicker solution. It allows you to restore system functionality promptly, reducing downtime. Activating System Restore provides a safety net that can help you recover from system issues efficiently and with minimal hassle. It's a valuable tool for maintaining the stability and reliability of your computer system.